Hey guys, okay, so I'm just rolling into the next video. Yes, I seem to film on days that I wear this shirt. It's my favorite color. I have a lot of things in this color. Oh well, moving on. Okay, so today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some recipes that I'm making from Maria Emmerich's PSMF protocol. It's protein sparing modified fast protocol. So it means that you alternate days of like doing a food fast, and then you have on the alternate day you do a regular day of eating keto. So today I'm kicking off the day doing a day of the PSMF protocol. So I thought I would show you what recipe I'm going to make, and we're just going to go from there. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so last night I did some calculating. So on the days I do PSMF, this is what my macros are going to look like. 1,200 some calories, only 30 grams of fat, 229 grams of protein, and 10 total carbs. So you're not, with this protocol, you do not count net carbs at all. All right, and then a regular day, so I'm going to increase this by about 700 calories-ish. And I'm going to have 130 grams of fat, 188 grams of protein, and still keeping it at 10 total carbs. So, yeah, so I'm going to give this a whirl. I find actually, I've been curious about reducing my fat intake anyway, because I was like, I still have a lot of fat to get off my body. And I thought if I'm still taking in plenty, or taking in fat in excess still, I don't feel like I'm actually burning any fat. I'm just kind of maintaining. So I think this is going to be good. So now I'm going to start off my breaking my fast. It's 2:15 p.m. guys in the afternoon, and I've not been hungry until about now. So I'm going to make this French toast porridge, and I think it's going to be good. So it's egg whites, unsweetened almond milk. Here, I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I have almond milk and then the stevia. I'm going to be, instead of a maple extract, I'm going to be using this vanilla powder, and I got it from one of the local shops here. And if you're from the Midwest, I got this at Menards, because you know how they have like the cooking section. So I got that, and then I'm going to dust it off with some cinnamon. And then I need to cook this in a tiny, teensy bit of coconut oil. I don't have butter flavored. I don't even know what that necessarily means, but maybe I'll find out later. So that's how we're going to roll. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with 2/3 cup unsweetened almond milk. Okay, and then I used a carton of liquid egg whites instead of fresh egg. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So this ends up being 1 cup of liquid egg whites. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this in there for the flavor. I don't think you need a whole lot actually. And then I got my cinnamon, put that in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this in there. I'm going to scramble this up and throw it in the pan. Okay guys, we're going to turn this on to a medium heat. So, because you don't want to overcook the eggs, do you? And I actually, instead of coconut oil, I just used a spray from Aldi. I realize it might not be the cleanest option, but this is what I'm rolling with today. So I have whisked everything together. It did leave a little bit of a foam, but that's fine. Like, you don't need to do it by much. And we're just gonna pour this all in. It smells delightful. It just smells light and sweet, and I think it's gonna be an absolute treat. This is it, guys. It is all ready. It didn't take long at all, maybe 4 minutes in the pan. And I just poured it into this bowl, and I added a little bit more cinnamon on top and a light dusting of the Watkins vanilla extract. And that's it. So let's dive in and have a taste test, shall we? All right, y'all, it's about to go down, okay? I'm gonna mix this up just a wee bit, okay? Gosh, what happened to my shirt? I have boys, by the way, and they're loud. So if you hear the guys downstairs, that's what they're doing. They're just being loud. All right, let's try this a little bit here. It's definitely hot. Holy spumoni. Not bad. I think I would like to add a little bit more stevia to it just to sweeten it up a little bit, because I think that's just what I'm used to, right? You're just used to having a little bit of that sweet in there. So I think that would make a big difference. But I think you just do it as you go, right? You just try it out. Or hot. I think I might let it cool down just a little bit more. So, yeah. And I think, like, I don't have maple extract on hand right now, but I think I might add, I have rum extract. And I think I might put just a splash of that in there and see how that works out. So I think that would be super good. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and I'll be back with the next meal. All right, guys, we're gonna carry on with the day. So I have my porridge, and then I had a packet of this teriyaki beef jerky from Aldi. It is sugar-free. There's nothing in it. For the entire package, it is 210 calories, 5 grams of fat, 1 carb, 1 net carb, 1 full carb. Like, that's it. Because there's no fiber, so let's throw that out there. And then 36 grams of protein for this whole thing. So great way to get in your fat, keep it low carb, and really hit your protein macros. So, all right, next we're gonna make some burgers. Guys, I'm not a fan of turkey, but so we are gonna use beef. This is a leaner beef. I'm not gonna mix it with egg like I normally do. I'm just gonna basically do the meat itself. I'm gonna add in a bit of seasoning. And then I got this cool silicone mat today from Aldi. If you know me and you follow my videos, you know how much I love Aldi. So they had this slider form mold maker. And so you just put your mixture in there, you put the lid on, and then you smash it all down and it makes little sliders. So that's what we're gonna do with dinner tonight. So let's get crack-a-lackin'.